So we are probably going to have to teach online, and if you don't know how to use something like iMovie, it's going to be really hard. So this quick little video is going to show you how to get started. First of all, you may have to download iMovie. You can check if you have it by clicking your little magnifying glass. If you don't, go to the App Store, type in iMovie, then you're going to click the little Get button. It's free. It might take a minute. You're going to have to use an account. I had to use my personal Apple ID. I don't know if that's copacetic by the district, but it didn't work with the district login. Next, you're going to open iMovie by clicking your magnifying glass, typing in iMovie. I believe that thing's called the Finder, by the way. You're going to open it, hit continue, create new. You're always going to want to create a movie. The trailers are kind of silly. And then from there, it's really not so different from PowerPoint. You're going to upload images. You can click this little button. You can find things on your desktop, like whatever this is. But the quicker, easier way is to go directly to your desktop and grab an image from there. To get an image on your desktop, just go to Google, find whatever fits with your instruction. Drag it from Google directly onto your desktop, and then you can drag it directly into iMovie from there. You may want to add text in your video. To do that, you're going to click the little title button and then type whatever you want to communicate. I would add a caveat here that you should not type a bunch of stuff for a kid to read on these title slides. The font gets all weird, it's hard to read, and then it's hard to learn that way. You can grab these titles and drag them around if it suits your purposes, but really they are best suited just for titles. Instead, to deliver a large quantity of information or instruction, the best thing to do is to go up to your little arrow. You can click on your camera and record yourself. That's me. You then just drag this video clip into where you need it, and there you go. Or even better, you can just record your voice, so that way your kids don't have to watch you and you don't have to, put a tie on. Click this little microphone. It's going to give you a countdown, and then you just start talking. So there are two other basic skills you're going to need. One is splitting a clip. You're going to find a spot on your video here, two-finger click or right click, and then select split clip. That's going to cut your clip off where you have it. You can then cut out sections that are kind of redundant or boring. You are also going to need to know how to make screen recordings. There's stuff online you can use. I like to just use QuickTime. It's already here. It's easy. Again, use your Finder, find QuickTime, and then click Start a New Screen Recording. It just becomes a video file you put in your video. I am not an expert, but I hope this helps. Stay safe, wash your hands. See ya.